हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं दानिश। स्वागत है आपका डिजिटल दानिश में। थंबनेल से आपने देख ही लिया होगा कि आज इस वीडियो में कौन गेस्ट आने वाला है। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं कामिल सत्तार की। जो लोग नहीं जानते कामिल को, मैं बता दूं उनको, इनका एक यूट्यूब चैनल है ई कॉम किंग के नाम से, और इंटरनेशनल ड्रॉप शिपिंग पे ये वीडियो बनाते हैं। बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट, इंटरनेशनली इनको देखा जाता है। बहुत बड़े ड्रॉप शिपर हैं, मल्टीपल अपनी ब्रांड लॉन्च कर चुके हैं। बहुत अच्छा इनका एक्सप्लेनेशन रहता है ड्रॉप शिपिंग के बारे में। तो मैंने सोचा इनकी जर्नी से नहीं, इनके एक्सपीरियंस से आपको क्या प्रोसेस ये यूज कर रहे हैं राइट नाउ इंटरनेशनल ड्रॉप शिपिंग में प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च रिलेटेड, तो उस पे हम बात करेंगे। इंटरनेशनल ड्रॉप शिपिंग में प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च कैसे की जाती है, यही इस टॉपिक पे हम बात करने वाले हैं। तो वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बने रहें वीडियो में। मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं कामिल सत्तार आपका, कि आपने अपना कीमती वक्त हमें दिया, हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए ये वक्त निकाला। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच कामिल सत्तार फॉर योर टाइम।
Hey guys, thank you so much Danish Malik for having me on the channel today. I'm very excited to go over product research with your audience.
इस वीडियो में जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि हम प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च पे ही बात करेंगे। क्या प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च प्रोसेस है, कौन कौन से स्टेप फॉलो किए जाते हैं, एक्चुअली करके दिखाएंगे कामिल आपको। कामिल, प्लीज शेयर योर प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च प्रोसेस टू माय ऑडियंस एंड लेट देम नो व्हाट इज योर एग्जैक्ट प्रोसेस राइट नाउ।
Yeah, so I've got two strategies for product research. I have a free option and I also have a paid option. So what I'm going to do with your audience now is I'm going to share my screen and show them my two options that I use.
Okay, great. So you can go with free tool, then we can discuss paid one.
So the free option that I like to use is called the eBay Watch Counter. So if you come to eBay Watch Counter, you can select the country as US or UK. As soon as you've selected those two countries, either one, you want to go to category and you want to choose the category that you're interested in. So let's say I'm interested in selling in the baby niche, I will select baby. Then I'm going to click show me. Now what the eBay Watch Counter does is it shows you the most popular products that people are watching on eBay. Now, a lot of the products on eBay are dropshipping products. So this family tree wall decor is a dropshipping product. This personalized baby dummy is also a dropshipping product. Now, to confirm that these are dropshipping products, we can go to AliExpress and type in family tree decor and see if the product comes up. Let me do family tree.
So is it possible you can use CJ dropshipping because AliExpress is banned in India?
Yeah, I'm gonna go over something with them right now. Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
Because people will ask.
Yeah, no worries. But you can still access AliExpress just to look at, right?
Okay, fine.
So as you guys can see on AliExpress, now I want to make this very clear to you. I'm not using AliExpress to source my products. I use AliExpress as a directory or dictionary to see if my product exists. Then I can go to my supplier like CJ Dropshipping or any others and ask them to basically get the product into their warehouse. So as you guys can see, I've typed the same product name is from eBay Watch Count, and you can see the product is coming up here with over 600 orders, 4.8 star reviews. So that shows me that there's a potential winning product there. And we can also scroll through these other products to see if there's any other options that we can sell, like this one or this one. Now, I also like to sort this by 4 stars and upwards. That way you're going to see if the product is good quality. So you can see here 4.8 stars.
तो दोस्तों, पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि पिक्स्टा जो टूल है, जो कामिल सत्तार की टीम ने ही डेवलप किया है, ईकॉम किंग की टीम ने ही खुद इन हाउस का इनका ये एक तरीके से प्रोडक्ट है, डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट, जिसमें हम विनिंग प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। एआई बेस है, बहुत अच्छा है। मैं भी कुछ टाइम से यूज कर रहा हूँ इसको। तो लिंक इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, जिन लोगों को साइन अप करना है वहां से जाके वो साइन अप कर सकते हैं। और चलिए तो सीख लेते हैं कामिल से ही कि किस तरीके से ये टूल वर्क करता है।
So guys, this is the paid product research tool that I would only recommend. Now, just out of curiosity and just for disclaimers, I do own this company called Peakster. Now, the reason why I think this is the best is because if you know me, you know that I like to do everything to the best opportunity or capability. So we've invested lots of money, lots of research into Peakster, and there's no other tool out there. Sorry. There's no other tool out there that is as good as this, offers as many features for the price that we charge. So the first option you've got is called the winners section. Now the winners section will show you products that me and my team have pre-validated in terms of research, Google Trends research, Amazon research, and you can change this by newest, oldest, certain niches, price. You can also save the product, and as soon as you click on one of these products, it's going to give you all the information: the recommended product title, the recommended product description, all the demographics, all the links to other industries like AliExpress, Alibaba, eBay, TikTok. You've also got your product costs here and your profit margins. So this is the winner section. And then if you go to Facebook ads, this is a Facebook ad spy tool that you can change by countries, by views, by language. And you can see all of these winning Facebook ads for drop shippers. And you can also change it into dark mode or light mode. You've also got TikTok ads spy tool. So you can see all the winning TikTok ads by changing it to most shared. And these will show you viral TikTok ads that have got 100 million views. So you can scroll through all of these and find the product. Then you've got one of the most powerful tools no other research tool has. This is called Track Stores. You can add the Shopify URL here and it will track the store. So you can see here, this store has generated $4 million this month. So if I click on the link, you're going to see that it's going to give me all of the analytics. The turnover the store's made, it's going to show me their best sellers, and it's also going to show me the last orders on their website, the date, the time, and the amount. So if you find a winning dropshipping store, you can spy on everything, which will help you make a decision on whether you should sell the product. Now we've also got something called Product Explore. Now I like to use Product Explore as a way to validate my product. So let's say, for example, I wanted to sell some of the shark slides. I could go here by search by product name and type in slides. Now, if I type in slides, it's going to show me all of the stores selling these shark slides. And you can see it shows me how much money they are making. So you can see here, websites that sell shark slides are making a lot of money, which means there's money for me to also make. And you can also just clear the filters and look at all the products on here. And you can decide on, oh, do I want to sell this dog lead harness because it's making lots of money? And it will link the AliExpress and Amazon link. Now you've also got, for the guys in India, you've got suppliers. So you go to suppliers, you change by CJ Dropshipping, and it shows you all the winning products on CJ Dropshipping. So we've integrated CJ Dropshipping with Peakster. That way we validate the winning products on Peakster. So you can go directly to CJ by clicking this link, and it will take you to CJ's website so you can import the product to your Shopify website, WooCommerce website. Now, something else that Peakster's done that is industry changing is AI generated content. So let's say you want to create ad copies for Facebook, TikTok, product descriptions, product reviews, FAQs. You select on the one you want to generate, and you can see here, goal, product description. You enter the product name, you add some features, only a few little features. And then if I show you the history, you can see here, these are some of the ones that it's made me. So this is a product description that it's made me through AI technology. You can see a few different products. It's made me the FAQ here just by adding a few words. So Peakster isn't just a product research tool. It's also designed to help you get your product to the market as fast as possible.
So Kamil, what strategy you personally use for product research to find out winning product?
So guys, like I said before, TikTok is the industry leading social media platform when it comes to drop shipping at the moment. So you want to use the TikTok ad spy tool feature because anything that sells well on TikTok can sell well on Facebook, Pinterest, and other social media platforms. So you want to come to TikTok ads, change it to most shared, and you want to scroll through all of these videos. Let's say, for example, I like the look of this. I can click on it and it's going to send me directly to the video. This video has got 39 million views and it says here, nice slingshot. So we can watch the video and then we can see what the slingshot is, and then we can go and see if this product exists on AliExpress. Or we can search on TikTok for the product and see how many other accounts have got viral views. So if we type in here, laser slingshot, you're going to see any other videos that have made products. You can see here, Loads of other accounts are making videos on this viral product. 169,000 views, 1.5 million views. So what we can do is we can see that this product is viral, so we can sell this product on TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, anywhere else.
So Kamil, here I want to know that if someone is new and he want to start international drop shipping, what step he should follow for product research?
Yeah, so the best way to do product criteria, now there's no guarantees with any type of criteria that the product's going to do well, but these are the simple steps that I take. Number one, I look for a product that is seasonal. So let's say we're in the month of summer. I will look to sell a product in the next season, like winter. So I will look for a winter product to sell early. That way I will get momentum. Or I look for special events, Valentine's Day, Easter, Christmas, and they don't have to be really popular ones. You can go to your Android calendar, your Apple calendar, and it will show you on the calendar each special day that's coming up. And you can sell products around that special day. That way there's already interest for the product, but you're just capitalizing on it. Another thing that I like to do is I like to sell products that are not sold on Walmart store. So if you go to walmart.com and search for your product name and filter it by in-store, if your product comes up, then that's not a good sign.
Okay, great. So now it's April. So if someone want to start international dropshipping in April month, so what niche he should follow, means in which niche he should start, and what should be your advice for April month?
So we're going into the summer season. So the niches that I like to sell in the summer is fishing products. I like to sell beach products. I like to sell clothing like shorts, dresses, anything that fits into the niche. Barbecue products, kitchen products. These are very good products to sell in the summer.
Okay, great. So Kamil, what is your favorite social media platform for marketing?
So my favorite marketing platforms right now for cold traffic. I love Facebook and Google and TikTok. Now for warm traffic, I think Facebook is the best. But for cold traffic, TikTok, Google, Facebook for warm traffic is very, very powerful.
So Kamil, in the end, so please give us a advice or suggestion for my audience who want to start international dropshipping.
So my recommendation for anyone that's looking to go international with dropshipping is focus on 5 countries, not loads, just 5 countries. And you want to do things different. The problem with international dropshipping is it can be very saturated. Now, the way you get out of the saturation is by doing things very different. Now, when you sell products online, you have something called an offer. You need to create an offer that is different to everyone else. So go to Facebook ad library, go to Google Shopping, look at the offer that they are using to sell the product. You want to create a new offer or add to the offer, whether it be an ebook, whether it be a free upsell. They buy my summer shorts, I give them summer glasses for free.
Thank you very much, Kamil, for providing us a very valuable information for us. For if we can implement this information in international dropshipping, definitely it will grow our business. So in the end, I am very thankful, Kamil Sattar. So दोस्तों, ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो नीचे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं, और अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को लाइक कर दीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। और क्या बोलूं, मैं इतनी अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन कामिल ने हमें दी है, बहुत बहुत थैंकफुल है हम उनके, उन्होंने अपना वैल्यूबल टाइम हमें दिया और प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च प्रोसेस एक्चुअली हमें सिखाया कैसे हम इंटरनेशनल ड्रॉपशिपिंग में प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च कर सकते हैं। दोस्तों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। जय हिंद, जय भारत।